Right, let's try to visualize the theorem of Thales. You might have heard about this theorem. If you don't, you could read about it at Wikipedia. It's about the fact that if you have a diameter like this and you make a triangle with one of the corners on the circumference, the triangle you get will actually be a right one. Well, just let's do this. Hit it. So we're going to use some tools, and the new one that we haven't been using before is semicircle. So the preparations are in place, so just hit it. Line segment between 2 points, so we need 2 points. So let's do that. Segment AB and like that. Love it. Construct a semicircle through points A and B. Okay, circles, and let's go down to semicircle. And that's the first point, and that's the second point. So that's it. And then create a new point on the semicircle somewhere. So just let's do that like that. Yeah. And if you want to make sure that it is really on the arc, you could just take the arrow tool and try to move the point, and yeah, it is. Great. Create the triangle ABC. So just use the polygon tool, like that. And remember to close it. There you have it. Okay. And then create the interior angles of triangle ABC. So let's use the angle tool like we did before. So I do it my way, that, and that. So that wasn't too nice. That happens sometimes. And then you could try to fix that. And you do that with up here, 0 to 180 instead, and you'll get the inside one. It has to do in what order you pick the points. So let's do it the other way then. That point, and that point, and that point, and that point. So, and we could also try to move these measures a bit. And not too surprisingly, we get a square. So, if we want to make this a bit bigger, let's do that. And then, to actually convince ourselves that this will work, just try to move this one. And like you see, it will stay a right angle. So this is kind of an empirical, not proof, but anyway, something like that of Thales' theorem.